Let's pop into the video so we can know what to do. Ready, set, pop!
So basically what you are going to do is you're going to take 3 of your cups and put them about 3/4 of the way full with water. Then you're going to take those cups and dye them with food coloring or liquid watercolors in our 3 primary colors, which are red, blue, and yellow. Then you're going to place the other 3 empty cups in between them. So what we're going to do is a water walking experiment. You're going to take your 6 pieces of paper towel and you're going to fold them in half twice. And these are going to be the channels that carry our water. So what's going to happen is the water is going to soak into the paper towel and then gravity is going to carry it into the empty cup. Girls, what do you think will happen?
It's going to mix. These colors are going to mix and make purple.
Okay, and Kenley, what's going to happen between the blue and yellow cup?
They're going to mix and make green.
And what about the red and yellow?
Red and yellow will mix and make orange.
Okay, so those would be our 3 secondary colors. So now what we're going to do is we are just going to let this record and we will see what happens. So we are 1 hour into our color mixing project and you can see that our colors are kind of starting to mix. We're starting on some orange at the bottom and some green. Purple really hasn't started to mix yet, but it will be soon. So we're going to let these sit until the water levels are the same in all cups and we'll see what it looks like.
What color do you like the most? And what do you think we should do next? Let's pop out of here right now. Ready, set, pop!